what's up? Welcome back. My name is Jagruti.
My name is Jashwant.
So today we are going to be unboxing mystery box of
Crackers.
so yeah guys, let's move on. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our
Channel.
so yeah guys, let's go on. So guys, first of all we have some
Rolls for this gun.
please show them how.
This type of gun. We have rolls which look like this. These are like a ring. So
Okay.
we insert this inside this gun and the sound comes.
Okay, so please keep it aside and yeah, let's move. So this is my like normal gun which we like usually do like this thing. You guys that thing and the rolls. This is a new pack. Rolls. So guys, are you wondering what is this box? It's as we said you, it's a mystery box. So guys, yeah guys, and these are party pops, I guess.
These are like when we take one. It's like one like this. It looks like this, and if we throw it down,
Just throw it and chew it.
it comes a sound very high.
Throw it. That's the sound. So guys, let's move on now. So this is a giant box full of
Crackers.
gifted by our parents, which are our mom and dad. You may have seen them
In some of the videos.
like
You may see them
like in the there's one video in which it was given like what was it? A day with a friend Shan and Jiv Divan, etc. etc. You wanna open this? Just yeah, there you go. Guys, this looks so good. Woo! I don't know guys what you can see, but wait. You guys are going to be amazed. Look at that. Look at that. Like seriously guys, that's amazing. Look at that.
This is from this.
Oh my god,
These are from
open.
Merchant and Sons company.
They are not sponsored, but then yeah. Like those are the best cracker ones.
They are open 365 days.
This
You can
is
buy
like
crackers anywhere.
chakris. I don't know.
It's like a spinning
Are you guys
thing.
able to see? Are you guys able to see?
These are called chakris, or these are called the spinning wheels. Like if you fire them, it spins.
Okay. Next
And
one.
Second is
Same.
same
This-
ground chakri.
But these are in a smaller size, I guess.
These are different. These are different companies.
Not companies. Company is the same. Merchant and Sons.
Company is the same. Shop is the same. Company
Yeah.
is different.
Shop is the same.
And these are also two
Guys,
same.
one thing I love about is Jashan, please show. Jashan, please show it.
So this is the fountain, colorful fountain.
Can you
This is the
please
most amazing.
open it? Just show these guys how amazing they are. Actually, I think this one is the first time. I think
So
the
it
colorful
is
one.
actually stapled.
Okay, guys, I'll be back once it's open. So, guys, those look like this.
These are the
And-
deluxe edition.
Deluxe edition, and these are like the miniature ones. Flower pots. Okay, guys. So next one are,
Another flower pot. This miniature.
and then some pop-ups.
Some more pop-ups which we showed you.
Kit Kats.
Kit Kat is like if you fire them, it will go.
And
Keep on firing.
some. Wait.
These are like these. These are
Some
also
of
same
the-
flower.
Some of these, what are
These
these
are
called?
like
Sticks,
not sticks. These are
etc., etc. These are like the same, and the butterfly.
sparklers. These are sparklers.
Yeah.
These are sparklers.
Etc., etc. Those all are sparklers,
These are
and
colored. These are
almost
colored
there. All of
sparklers.
them are same. Then
And this is electric sparklers.
all of them are same, and these are butterflies, and these are, I don't know what are these. What are these?
These are like
Those shots. What's this? Rockets? I don't know. I think these are.
no.
I don't know
This
what
is
the
a
what-
red sparkler.
Okay, next, what are these? Chakris, Kit Kats. Let us see Kit Kats. So guys, Kit Kats look like this. Yeah, guys, that's for this video. And wait, guys, we forgot to show you this flower pig.
Another flower
Something.
pot.
And these are all those thingies.
Sparklers.
Yeah, guys, that's for this video. And Jeshwan is showing you guys what is this thing. Oh, this thing is there. Oh my god, this looks a little weird. Keep it inside, we don't
This
want
is somewhat like a rocket.
Yeah, keep it inside, we don't want that to just burst right here, I guess. Okay guys, that's for this video. Bye.